Hello everyone. Today I'll share a few quick and simple tips to help you improve your English. No stress, no big commitments, just practical steps you can start today. First, immerse yourself. Surround yourself with English in small ways. Listen to music, watch short videos or shows with subtitles, and try to think in English during your day. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Second, keep it interactive. Use language apps, talk to virtual assistants in English, or even leave comments on English videos or posts. The more you actively engage, the faster you'll improve. Third, learn in chunks. Instead of memorizing single words, learn useful phrases or expressions. For example, instead of just go, learn go for a walk or go out for dinner. These chunks are easier to remember and use naturally. Next, turn mistakes into opportunities. Don't be afraid of them. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Try speaking or writing regularly, even if it's not perfect. It's about progress, not perfection. Lastly, stay consistent. Practicing just a little every day is more effective than cramming once a week. Think of it as a journey. Small steps will get you there. Remember, learning English is a process, so be patient with yourself and have fun along the way. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends and students, and subscribe to English Teacher Resource Hub by Crew Ben Facebook page for more tips and tutorials. Have a nice day.